Hello students, hope you all are well on the tough situation. Today I will talking about a topic gene mapping by 3-point test cross. So first of all we need to know what is gene mapping. Gene mapping, it is a method or procedure to identify the locus of a gene. That's mean where a gene is situated on a chromosome is to be found by the process gene mapping. So how we will found a gene on chromosome? This is based on the recombination frequencies. And based on the recombination frequencies, we can determine the order of genes along a chromosome and estimate the relative distances between the genes. And this is also calculated by the procedure by the phenomenon 3-point test cross. This hypothesis developed by Thomas Hunt Morgan and his students. And based on this, they calculate and build chromosome maps called genetic map. Distance on genetic maps are measured in map units. One map unit is also equal to one recombination frequencies, and map unit also called centimorgan in honor to T.H. Morgan. Here I want to clear why 2-point test cross is rejected and 3-point test cross is more suitable for this purpose. First of all, these two chromosomes are homologous pair of homologous chromosome, and these are also here 2 genes are present of that chromosome, and here 3 genes are present. After double crossover and the process of meiosis, the gamete will be formed, but the orientation of gene is same as the as before. But in case of here 3-point test cross, there 3 genes are involved in this process, and after double crossover in between them, a recombinant will formed. That's why we take 3-point test cross rather than 2-point. Here hypothetically we take 3 genes, 3 parental genes. One is capital ABC, that is dominant, and another one is small ABC, that is recessive. This one is used to be as a female and this one is used to be as a male. After meiosis, the gamete will be a single chromosome and have the genes capital A, capital B, C, and here is same also. And in F1 generation, it will be this capital A, capital B, and capital C, like all crosses, small a, small b, small c. And here we need to know the order of genes in this chromosome. That's mean A, B, C or E or C, A, B, like that. So test cross always like F1 with double recessive, small a, small b, small c. So here we can get a chromosome or gamete small a, small b, small c. Here 4 phenomenon is will be happened. First one, without crossing over. Second, a single crossover between A and B, and third one, single crossover between B and C, and last one, double crossover between AB and BC. First of all, without the gamete formation without crossing over, like capital A, capital B, capital C, and another one is small a, small b, small c, and cross with so the small a, small b, small c. So we can get one is capital A, capital B, capital C, and small a, small b, small c, and another one is small a, small b, small c, small a, small b, small c. Next, single crossover between A and B. That's mean capital A, small b, small c, capital A, small b, small c, small a, capital B, small c, small a, capital B, small c, right? And another chromosome which we can get from small a, small b, small c. Next, single crossover between B and C. Capital A, capital B and small c, small a, small b and capital C. Capital A, small b, small c, small a, small b, capital C. Small a, small b, capital C. And rest chromosome came from. And next, double crossover between A and B, B and C. So we can get capital A, small b and capital C. Capital A, small b, capital C. And another one, small a, capital B, small c, small a, capital B, small c. And rest ones